Hey there. Hey, I made it. I missed you. Welcome home. Somehow, my original video review got deleted. So I have to do a little room review before we leave tomorrow. So it's upgraded from to a junior suite. And it's a mess right now, but here's the bedroom. I'll show the other room when we clean it a little. Here's the closet. The closet's humongous. Jim was gonna sleep in there, but then I was nice and I told him he didn't have to sleep in the closet. He could stay with me. So that's the closet. And then over here, I already did my money safe check. And there was nothing in, nope, still nothing in there. Nice closet, and keep all your stuff. Ooh, make a mess. Okay, and then there's a bathroom. The bathroom's in a separate closet. Really don't like that because then you go to the bathroom, then you have to come over here, and then you have to come in here to wash your hands. And the tub, it's an awful tall climb to get in, but it wasn't too bad, right, Jim?
No, it wasn't too bad.
It's not too bad. There's good hand railings to hold on to when you get in and out. So, then 2 sinks and a counter. Not bad. So beautiful. The window opens too. This is the second part of our room. Excuse the luggage. We got a couch, my luggage, another TV, 2 chairs, 2 luggage, and a desk, which we have a little snacks and stuff on. But beautiful views. Maybe I can see better now with no sun. Oh, it's good. Look at that. You can see the the sun, never mind. Oh, that's so bright. It was a really nice upgrade they gave us. It was a nice stay for 4 days. I'd come here again. Maybe the AC isn't the strongest. It's an old building though. But you're not gonna get a better location. This is a great location. And then there's a park down there and then the belfry. Yeah, gorgeous views. Comfortable room. Feels a little old-fashioned because you're in a historic area. You don't want to stay in somewhere that's modern and all. But yeah, I like it. You like it, Jim?
I like it.
We like it. We give this place thumbs up.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go see what the pool fitness center looks like. Yeah.
I need it.
Oh, and then this indoor pool up there. Huh.
No shoes.
It's weird.
Oh.
How do you get in there?
You go through, and then you come through right here.
Okay. Okay, we'll go back down now.
Okay.
It's weird. We came for dinner.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did. Let's see how it is. Some
Drinking muddy water.
muddy water, rosé. You know how I get when I drink a little rosé. I ate one already. Here's the cheese croquettes. Some mustard sauce on it. But I don't like mustard, but it's a light one, so it's good. Go ahead, Jim.
All right.
Mm-hmm. pretty good.
The cheese is creamy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hot.
You're not gonna wait? Look at it steaming my... Look at it.
I know, they're so hot.
Well, we shall see. So for the for a hotel restaurant,
Yeah.
pretty good. I'm happy. We didn't have to go looking for food. I'd come here again probably,
Oh, yeah.
unless I get sick tonight.
I think we'll be okay.
I think so. Elevator. Come in this side. You get out this side. I don't know. It's crazy.
Yeah. It's a walkthrough.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Did you like dinner?
It was good.
I want to say it was average.
Yeah.
But it's nice sometimes not leaving.